Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Okay, we have two ways how we can do it. We can perform a normal reboot using the power menu, and we can also perform a forced restart. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the simple reboot. To perform it, we need to launch our power menu. Simply hold power button for long enough until the power menu appears. Now all you need to do is to simply tap the restart button, then tap once again. After that, our device will be turned off, wait a few seconds, and it will be automatically turned on back again within a few seconds. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device can solve problems such as long time of opening the apps, or for example when apps doesn't want to launch at all. I had a few situations like that, and a reboot helped me when it comes to that. Also, during the reboot, our phone rests. Also, the RAM gets freed up, so sometimes it's even recommended to perform a reboot to let our phone rest for a moment. And it can help with its performance. So that's the first method. Now I'll show you the second one, which is called the forced restart. You can also read about it, how to perform it. We need to hold power button and volume down button for more than 10 seconds to force restart the device. And this method is recommended when we cannot perform the first method that I have just shown you, or for example in situations when we have frozen on or unresponsive screen. That's the moment when we should perform a forced restart. So now let me show you how to do it. So let's grab our phone and let's hold the power button and volume down button. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot. Sometimes it happens. You can always delete it later in the settings, in the gallery. Okay, you can see that the screen has turned off. Okay, the logo appeared, so we can release our fingers and now simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.